Hi everyone, today is Monday, June 27th, 2022. Personally, I've been on the phones more than I have in the last couple years. A lot of people have questions and more people want answers. So I'm gonna do a quick video, try to keep it under 4 minutes, discussing marketability of multifamily properties here locally, the giant elephant in the room, which is interest rates, and third, important things to know with what's going on right now. So starting with marketability of properties. Buildings in LA City or municipality specific rent controls, those buildings are experiencing big price reductions. Personally on our listings, we are asking sellers for price reductions, and more importantly, my inbox, all the listing services, I'm seeing it across the board. All agents are doing price reductions. It's harder to sell these lower cap rate deals where a new owner cannot raise rents, and it's kind of in limbo as to when you'll be able to raise rents. With LA County stuff, or subject just to AB 1482, we're still selling these deals at mid 3.5% to 4% caps, especially if there's upside. And something that's interesting to note, buildings with market rent. So if you're an owner with a building that's either all at market or with majority of your units at market, those buildings are in high demand, and we're seeing quite good activity on those deals. Moving forward throughout the rest of the year and into next, I think LA City and those municipality specific rent control zones, those buildings will be trading with at least a 4 handle. I see those deals trading with a 4.5 cap going in, and for the LA County or AB 1482 stuff trading right around a 4 cap flat. Now let's talk about interest rates. The biggest hurdle to overcome right now, and I personally believe the reason why there's a little bit lower demand for these properties, is LTV, which is loan to value. Because rates have gone up so much, loan to value has gotten squeezed. So now, deals require 45, 50, 55, 60% down, and leverage is so unattractive. And keep in mind, a lot of these buyers don't have that much to put down, nor do they want to put that much down. So it's the cash buyers or people with creative financing solutions who are taking down a majority of these deals. With that being said, if you can find a deal that is easily financeable, I personally believe the 5-year money is the best bang for your buck. You can get a 5-year fixed around 4.5%, which is still a phenomenal rate. And I believe that, before 5 years, sometime in the next 5 years, rates will come back down again where you can refinance or sell. Something interesting to note, for every 1% that the interest rate goes up, you have to increase that same NOI by 17% to yield the same return. So for owners who are on the sideline or considering a sale or refi, now timing is certainly the essence, and I would encourage you to formulate some plans and move forward with those plans. Some things to note. I think it's incredibly important to work with an established listing broker if you are going to sell a property. For the last 2 months, every single one of our deals, we've negotiated hard money at the signing of the contract. So as soon as pen touches paper, our seller has non-refundable money from the buyer. Rates are going up, every week, here a little bit, and it's just so hard to keep up with. And so to mitigate retrades and renegotiations, it's so important to have hard money or very short due diligence periods. Having a broker who can negotiate that for you and keep a buyer excited and at the table is, the name of the game right now. Also, something I'd like to say, if you are an owner and you have the ability to raise the rents the maximum allowed, which is 10%. Going out to market with a higher cap rate right now is makes it so much easier, and I encourage you to do so. If you would like us to underwrite your property, or if you have any questions about the market, please reach out. We've been incredibly busy this year and are answering the phones and talking to owners more than ever, and so we're happy to talk to you as well. My direct line is 424-405-3855. That's 424-405-3855. Thanks. Talk to you soon.